For Pearson. So it's, let's see, we got 20, 1, 2, 3. Ooh. 23. Oh, 23.
That was tight getting up through here.
It's 23.
Alright. I know my battery's not that one.
Let me see.
The one beside it.
Let me see that. I couldn't look back at it. My eyes are straining.
Oh, my bad.
Oh gosh. Dad, me, you, and Mom.
We ain't breaking up in no teams.
You ready?
Yeah, let's break up in me.
No, you trying to get me lost?
Yeah, guys, let's break up. Daddy, you could just call Mama's phone.
Well, you have to have cell service.
Guys, there's gonna be team groups. Okay, Dad, I'm on Dad's team.
No, I would not get lost with you.
I would totally get lost with you. I would totally get lost with this dude.
Where are we going?
Hey, I know how to
You're my
survive.
hiking trail. My hiking trail.
This is why I can't vlog around kids.
You shut.
What if your heart is not beating right?
Yeah.
Okay, it goes, alright, this is it, and then we're going to go there, then we're going to go there, then we're going to go there, then we're going to go right now, leg.
Oh, those. Where are shoes? Where are your clothes?
That way.
Yeah, I know.
They won't fall off.
Mom
Or
said
we
we
could
shouldn't
go
have
over
more
here,
across.
be lazy.
There's slick feet. And you could fall. There's slick
And go
bottoms off the mountain.
Family walker.
Well, Mom told me.
Boy, they got me out here walking on this doggone trail. You know we don't mix with trails and nature. Well, if I find me a snake right here, it's already looking sketchy in the parking lot right up there. Hey, don't just loop back around to the parking lot? Well, that'll be our trail right there, won't it? Hey, we didn't say how far to go, right, Jason? Wow, look at that. That's nice. Oh, look at that. Yep. Yep. Mosquito says it's a feast. See that? I told you. That's the Lord protecting me from the nature. He said this is not the area I need to be in. See, Jason, he know what the deal is. Hey, they got poison ivy and stuff out here too, don't they?
Oh yeah, nice
Dang.
poison ivy. If you feel like itching, just go ahead and rub yourself with it just a little bit.
I know, right?
Solve that issue for you.
I know, right?
That was a fun hike.
All right, well, let's go.
Okay, open it real quick. Let's pray and pray.
I want to tell you this right now.
All right. Now we're going down this trail 2.0. Go ahead and walk, boy. Go ahead and walk.
2.0.
Walk. Look. If you don't, I'm going to push your tail in the...
Snake hole, you got to be stronger.
Well, I'm about to put your brother down it.
Now I saw two. Well, you got to get those.
Goodness, I tell
I saw two now.
you. These kids. All right, we had to get lathered up with some bug spray. Well, I'm telling you.
I saw you can suck it out and you will get the stinger out. You get the stinger out. There's a snake hole.
Look at him.
I know, now I
Oh, look, got me up here with these crazies. Boy. Out here just walking the trail. Y'all, we seen this before down here.
I want to be with 2.0. I want to be with 2.0.
You about to get these 2.0s right here across your lip if you don't keep walking. Golly. If you don't walk, boy, you gonna get left. Dang. Well, it's getting a little hot out here, ain't it?
Starting to.
Alright. Hey, at least that sun ain't pushing through.
Yeah.
Making it real hot. Well, I'm out of shape.
No, we're supposed to turn left.
You don't want to go.
I think it's just to get down there to that water.
This is where the fun stuff
See.
comes in when it's. Let's go look
Oh,
at it.
see. You alright? And this is why we say stay on the trail. When we say let's not.
Boys, there's no adult in front of you.
Tell
Slow
'em.
down a little bit.
When we tell them don't go that way and they don't listen.
That's right.
Yeah, the boo thing just slipped down the darn step, but she all right. We try to tell them. Sometimes the women don't listen. They fast. Hey, we can walk up this way. I think.
That's a garden spider.
Maybe not.
That's a garden spider.
I'm out my comfort zone, so I don't know which way is which.
Now, have you ever? Heidi got bit by one. Where's the garden spider?
What you see down there?
Nice little. Let's see. Let's see what we got on this side.
Random rocks found in the middle of the river. Somebody had been having fun out here doing something or other. But
Hell no, y'all see that? Nah, that witchcraft? Oh, oh, oh no, no, no. That Blair Witch, but no, no, no. Let's do it. Golly. Shh. And I see they made it hard to get down too so they can catch you. What? Hey, I'm telling you. We in the woods too. We in their territory. I don't know what that was. Golly. Oh, and I like that waterfall. Man, I wonder if they stacked those too.
Oh, you about to get a good view.
Oh, what is Deanna doing? What is she? I thought we had to climb under the darn barrier. She had me thinking this was the end of my trip right here. Now she told Gabe that she wasn't going to the hospital. Now we ain't going to the hospital. Damn, I'm out of shape, bro. Man, that's a big ass rock. Oh, snap. I don't know if they can catch that. That's a cool little waterfall. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. Damn, I can't do it. I'm about to buy me a camera. Alright. Hey, y'all hold up.
Dad, look.
Oh, snap.
Dad, look, this heart. Dad,
Hey.
look, this heart.
Wait, is people camping here? There's some like stuff over there. Oh, are they over there now? They not over there now?
Come on.
I'm thirsty. I'm gonna go get me something to drink. They got the baby stroller. You can push me in the baby stroller. Y'all hold up,
Deanna doing
Mister.
everything she was supposed to. Read the sign that keep out of the rocks.
What? What sign?
Over there where Camden stands. Stay high in the water.
Look at that mug. Oh yeah, look. Somebody over there. They got food and everything. Got baby stroller. Oh, they even got the. Wait. Hey, hold up. That bag hanging up is an indication there's possibly bears in the area, right?
Oh, hell no!
That's trash hanging up.
Yeah, the food's sitting out on the table.
Keep
So
off the rocks and stay
Kids.
out of the water.
Kids don't listen. Cares. Lord, these kids don't damn
Gabriel,
listen.
get out from over there.
Well, it's some big rocks. Look at them those. Damn, there's some big rocks. Look at this mess. What is this?
How you supposed to say
Outside? Come on, folks.
Screw Kobe.
There was the woman wearing a mask a second ago, Dad.
Yeah, we 6 feet apart. You got 2, 4, and there's 6 over there. So we got, see? Yep, there we go. 6 feet apart. We got 6 feet.
Take that, COVID. Cold water.
Alright, now we're walking up this. Up here. Oh man, this is a hot. Yeah, I don't know where they at.
Yeah, she's not even here.
Dang. Your mama on the left. Oh, I think they up there. They might be up top. Oh Lord, she got a darn mask on. Okay, that makes sense. Never mind. It's okay. Look at that waterfall. That's nice. Yeah, a little bit more comfortable around here. Yeah. Nice little waterfall. That's pretty cool. Damn, more steps. Whew. They're working me today. Oh Oh, here they come now. They coming. Alright. It's another waterfall. Alright. So we back at it, y'all. We got that log. I don't know if people are crossing it or not. Or if it was already put down. But okay. Oh, how are you? You. Oh, thank you. I wasn't really taking a picture. I was just. Oh no, man! I was just shooting a little video. Thank you, though. Oh, she was sweet. I had to cut that part short because I didn't want her to keep waiting. But anyway, that log right there. So I don't know if I guess it's falling down. Another snail. Damn, more steps. Oh, now that's slick. Wow. Check that out. Hey, y'all remember that commercial years ago? Where does the water come from? Well, it comes from the ocean and the spring. Alright, we got more steps coming up. Walk, baby. To the side. Alright. Yeah, these knuckleheads right here. I don't know why he's tipping his hat, but okay. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Damn, it's getting pretty packed up here.
Ding ding. A lot of people come here today.
Nah, I think that's the self-made dam now. But alright, we're gonna proceed. Uh-oh, excuse us.
Okay.
Sorry.
Hi.
How are y'all?
Good.
Oh man, I'm good. Alright, I'm gonna pause this thing before I fall. Alright, now we back. Alright. Don't run. Alright. Let's go ahead and it's not really a good scenery, but alright. Go across. Oh, hold up. Okay. We got a little bit more. That looks a little bit more natural. So and steps. Alright. Hey, it's a good workout though. I ain't gonna lie. No cap. Yeah, that's a big leaf.
It's pizza, Daddy.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it is. Look, I found pizza.
What? Oh, it's a heart.
He said that's a slice of pizza.
Pizza leaf.
It looks
I'll
like
get
a
it.
heart too.
Yep, it's a long drop.
Where's the waterfall? Don't run. Watch it, huh?
I'll put mountain
Right here, Dad, right here. Here, exactly in the spot, right here. Wait, no, here.
Yeah, I got it a little bit.
Oh!
I can see clear with my eyes,
I'm
but
sitting here.
all right. We finally made. Oh, it's a little crowd up here.
They go. There's something.
Oh wow.
Yo! Oh, that's awesome. How pretty.
She had to give him a shot.
Guys, let's let him
It's fine. Peyton, out the shot. Out the shot. There you go. Airy, don't go further. Airy, come back this way. Look at that waterfall. Airy. That's a nice waterfall. You like that? Oh god, this ain't Rockstar. What? What are you doing?
Mama. Baba.
Yeah.
Can you take a picture of me?
Where?
Right here.
Oh, that's neat.
Boy, coming down these mountains is something else. Slow down, Kiers. Ooh-wee. Oh, I ain't even getting nothing in that picture. Slow down. I'm about to pause this thing before I fall. Alright, I'm getting back close to level ground. Dang, that was a pretty good height. Wasn't too bad, but shit, we ain't worked out in a while.
Are you getting tired?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Oh, nah. Nah, I'm good. Who said that? Nah, I ain't saying that. Alright. I wonder if these people are still gone. Yep, they still gone now. Shoot, they ain't coming back for that stuff.
All right, you acting like
They ain't coming back. Hey, boo boo. What? Yeah. We got to get some of that. Our turn is next. Come on. Well, that was treacherous. Oh my gosh. That was something else. Walking down that mountain. My legs hurting, boy. No. I mean, they are, but no. How Jason doing? Oh, he good. He back there. Actually, you know what? My gut helped me down the mountain. Gravity took over. I was in cruise control. I had to hit the Jake brake a couple times. I was getting a little loose. Go.
Move. Move. Everybody move.
Watch the bottle cap.
Do it the way you had it, Gabe.
Oh, I'm shot!
That's crazy.
Do it again.
These people just dipped out because they thought they were shooting over here. It's just bottle caps popping off.
Flip my tongue like a duck. I got rhymes to keep you.
Somebody almost died.
Crazy. I don't know if all these cars leaving because of that. Look at all these folks. It's only 2 cars, but still.
What's up? You already know. Well, my dad.
Bring it over here.
And my cousin Gabe right here. You already know. Nasty. But yeah.
I just grubbed up on some good sandwiches. But yeah, you already know. Won't talk about that.
Wait a minute.
But yeah.
Did you just put me in?
At this point, it was time to head home. Oh, which way did I